Good morning. It is the next day right now, and it is 6:50 in the morning. And I just woke up like 20 minutes ago. 'Cause the AC is so high, so it's so cold, and I didn't get a blanket yesterday. It was 70 pesos. Which is technically not that much, but I thought I had my socks on, I had my sweater on, my long sleeve trousers, so I'd be fine. I've been fine for quite some hours. I think I fell asleep around 11, and then I woke up around 5 a.m. And then I fell asleep again until around 6:30. So yeah, I took the toilet, brushed my teeth. Now I'm here. I think I'm gonna go read my book for a bit. Kelly and Paul are still sleeping, so I think I'm gonna wait a little bit for them to wake up because we have breakfast and lunch included in the ticket that we bought. And I'm pretty hungry, and I see a lot of people eating now, so I might go before them, but I think I will wait until they wake up. The boat is very wobbly. I heard a few people throw up last night, and the last time that I was on the boat to Coron, I got really nauseous as well. And I took some travel pills, so I think I might take some more right now, because just to be sure. And let's see. I think we have about 11 or 12 more hours to go. So we're practically almost on half of the journey, which is pretty great. It's nice that I slept for most of it because then time flies by. So now I have to kind of entertain myself for the next 11 to 12 hours. Yeah, I'll be fine. We'll see. Gonna take some travel pills now, read a bit of my book, and yeah, hopefully have a very smooth journey to Manilla. Okay, see you later. Food time. We had some breakfast a couple of hours ago, around 7 or 7:30, which was rice with some pink sweet meat and a boiled egg. So let's see what we have now. Now we have chicken and rice. So yeah, it's quite simple. Let's eat. Might go get some noodles or snacks here later. But for now, this will do. So yeah, let's go and eat. Hello again. It is now 3:40, so that means it's almost hour 18 that we're on this boat, because we think we'll arrive around 6. I slept most of the time. I keep falling asleep because I'm either reading my book or watching a series, and then after like half an hour or 45 minutes, I keep falling asleep for a few hours. So the time goes by very quick. I even had some breakfast and lunch, and Kelly and Paul are sleeping right now. I just woke up and I really need to go to the toilet, so. And the toilet is very gross, everything is wet, and there's no toilet paper almost nowhere. So we keep getting a lot of napkins from the dining area and then go to the toilet with it. But they're like so thin, so we need 100 of them. And then some people threw up in the sinks. This morning it was the left sink, and when I just went there, it is the right sink, so that's really super nice to look at. But I get it. It was quite a while, but I've been okay. But I think that's also because I took the chemicals. So we have about 2 hours left to get to Manilla, or to arrive in Manilla. Maybe a little bit longer, maybe even a little bit shorter. We'll see. And then onto the airport. Yeah. So we are now at the airport. Ooh, wow, okay.
Oh, I see an M. I see an M. Oh,
M from?
McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Exactly. Here we go.
We just checked in, went to immigration, went through security, and we're very hungry. So we're going to the McDonald's and we're going to get some food, some coffee, definitely some coffee.
Yes.
And then get on our flight to Saigon, baby.
Ooh,
Excited! Oh, where do we? Is this not outside of security? I don't know. This is a toilet. This is exit. It says exit. Oh no! Is the Mackey's outside? Okay, no Mackey's for us, but there is a Starbucks. We have some Kenny Rogers roasters. We have, what's that, King? Tapa King? What is Tapa King?
Where are you guys from?
So the McDonald's was closed, and we went to another place called Kenny Rogers Roastery. We just got a cheeseburger that comes with some chips and a soda. They only have Sprite or Coca-Cola. I don't like either of them, so I'll just take Coca-Cola. And we went to another place to get some coffee called Seattle's Best. Yeah, let's eat. This is what the burger looks like. It smells a lot like Burger King. I think I will try and put some chips on there. We got some chips with it. Okay, ik heb nog een cappuccino en ik heb hier mijn burger. Chips bleef allebei in de spijt. Dus dat zou wel niet.
Ik moet mijn telefoon opladen. Hij is bijna dood.
Oh nee.
Bijna dood.
Okay, let's do a taste test.
Hoe dat ligt.
It's exactly what you would expect from an airport burger. Yeah.
What do you expect from an airport burger?
Not the best quality, but it's okay. Oh, okay. See you later, guys.
Everybody's staring at me. Everybody's like,